going to open this Hairdorables. I like it a lot.
Where did you get this?
I got it from Walmart.
Walmart. Okay. So what do you think it's about?
I think it's about hair. So let's open the biggest blind bag. Oh yeah, this one's the biggest one. But
First count how many you have inside.
Oh yeah, there's 1, 2, 3, 4. And there's only 4 of them. Whoa, this one's so big. I want to start with this
And what
one.
is this?
I want to open this one. Oh, there's something in there, but I don't want to show you guys yet.
So that's for later? Okay. Okay, let's open the blind bags first.
Let's open the biggest one. Eesh. It looks hard. Wow. Oh, I found a little safe that you can open right here. Oh, a hair extension.
Ooh, wow. Just put that on your head. Does it say anything? Wow. Oh, it says rain. What does it say?
What do you say, guys?
Rain.
I think that's the name of the doll inside of here.
Okay.
I think there's a doll inside of here.
Okay.
But now let's open our smallest baggie. Oh, I got some shoes.
Wow.
There's definitely a doll in here.
So pretty shoes.
Look, my hands are legs. Look, dun, dun, dun. Anyways. Ooh, what's a sticker?
Can you show it to us?
It has a 20 on it.
Oh, Hairdorables 20.
Oh, yeah. I'm definitely gonna put that on my doll. Now let's find the little broken part over here. Now in this one, we got, what is this?
Can you show us? We'll figure it out later.
Baby attaches to something. Now, let's find the broken part over here. Oh, where's the baggie? The bag has, oh, a little purse. It's so cute.
Yeah, that's so cute.
Here it is. It's a golden purse, guys.
Okay.
Now, oh yeah, I found this part. It's a stand.
Oh, maybe the doll is gonna stand on it.
No
Looks
one
like
knows
that.
until they open it, and we got a doll. It looks so cute.
It is. Aren't there 2 dolls? No, there's just one. Oh, look at her hair. It's so pretty.
The doll. Let's put on her shoes first.
Okay.
They look so cool. Eesh. Just have to slip her feet in here. This is hard, but I got it in. Now time for the second little boot. Kind of like shoes. Oh, it's like rain boots or snow boots. These boots are perfect. Oh, don't cry, little one. No, let's just. Now, my sister wants the bag second. I want to put it on her arm over here.
Wow, so cute. Acha Hafsa, can you show her dress completely? Because I don't think they got to see the dress.
It's like a little jumpsuit, guys.
Wow.
Now, stand. Oh yeah, we have to stand our doll. I think she has to go right over here and she will stand. Oh, I know it now. Just have to put
Her shoes in there.
Shoot. So guys, I found out on the list. Oh, I'm not going to tell you that yet. But I just want to put this on her jaw. Over here on this little bang on her side. Now, let's look at the collector's guide, which doll we got. Guys, we got this one.
Is it this one?
The one with rainbow over here.
Is it this one? Newsy Rain. Yeah, that's the name. Rain was the name on her Bang.
Guys, we got the one with the rainbow hair.
Yeah.
Back.
Okay, is there anything else in there?
Let's see. Oh! Here's her house!
Wow, that's adorable.
Doors. And the best thing about her is the sticker. Well, the second best
where are you
thing.
gonna put the sticker?
On her back.
Really?
Duh.
Is there a place where you can put it?
I think you can put it anywhere, but I want to put her on her back.
Okay.
So it's like she's in a soccer team.
Yeah, looks like she's in a soccer team.
I think I have to put it in the front. I don't want to put it there.
Oh, you can put it on here.
Let me just put it over here.
Okay. Wow, so nice.
And the best thing about it is that you can put your doll in here and close it and take it anywhere you go.
Zenia, what did you get?
Trout. Because that's her favorite movie.
Ooh.
I got Poppy.
Okay, so this looks like a
Open it,
troll's
Zenia.
house. No, there's a. This is where you open it. This is where you open it.
There's things falling
So
out
you-
of it. I wonder what it is,
So,
yeah?
yeah. Good. It looks like a house, and I thought.
Poppy!
Yeah, show me the Poppy, Zenia. Wow. Say hi, Poppy.
Hey.
Wow. And there is a dressing table. There is a curtain, shower curtain, maybe.
Yeah.
That's where she can take shower on. Are there any lights in there?
Look. There's also
I think this
hole.
opens as well.
Oh, this is for some stuff that you need to put. Oh my, yeah.
These are shelves.
No.
So the shelves can go here.
So let's see if these are really shelves. Just like this. Oh, they're really shelves. That's hard to say though. Oh, there's a shower that goes up there. Look. There's a shower that goes up there. Do you see a shower anywhere? Okay, let's assemble it.
No, put it here. You were putting it at the right place.
Let's see the instructions.
Wow, nice. Wow, we did put it in. It's a smiley little shower.
This is like a fan.
Yeah, where does it go?
It goes on top of Poppy's house.
Here. It goes here.
Where?
Here.
Oh,
No, not like this. The other way.
otherwhere.
Yeah, like this.
Oh,
Put it inside.
now let's see where these flowers go.
Maybe at the front. They go at the front.
Oh yeah, they go over here. This is looking beautiful.
Yeah. Poppy inside.
I think she wants to. This is her bed. This is her bed. No, that's not her bed, Zenia. This is her bed. Oh. Look.
Wow.
Good night, Poppy.
Yeah, the slides keeps on falling down. But let's just put it on last time. Okay, I'm filming.
So let's give Poppy a little showers, yeah? No, she had to sleep. Okay, now I'm gonna be the chicken waking her.
Oops.
Chicken waking her.
Oops. Oh.
And you hear me?
The side broke down again.
Oh, we don't need that part, yeah. Cock-a-doodle-doo.
Okay, now she wakes up. Okay, no, now she's sleeping. She's gonna sleep today. She's not coming out.
Let's count to 12 and see if Zenia takes out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Now let's give her a bath. She goes here.
She goes here.
Yep.
She looks out the window.
Okay. Now let's go close it up and Poppy does not fall. Now she wants to play a little song. She's so giddy.
Okay, put her in the shower.
Now we're going to just put the curtains on. She's dancing in the shower. Oh, there's a little thing that makes her move. Baby, we can turn it and she'll move in this. Now close. Oh my.
Can we see her? Can we peek inside? Uh-oh, there's nothing we can see.